You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these. Name. This is a cut of meat, better known as flank steak. And this is the French name that is also used in English. The pronunciation in French is as bavette. If you want to learn more French cuisine names, stay tuned, more cuts of meat as well. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is as bavette, from French bavette. Bavette, or in English, bavette. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.